Hi friends, today we are going to draw a beautiful landscape with just pencils, graphite pencils. First I draw my horizon line, and now I'll begin drawing the background, the basement of our drawings. The most beautiful drawings in the world are drawn in this way, layer by layer, first with foundation of big shapes and shadows, and after all of this we'll draw details, not beginning with details but beginning with big shapes. Okay, if you don't have a 2B pencil, you may use just an HB pencil, a regular HB pencil, but as soon as you can, buy one. These pencils are very useful. Many times you ask me what pencils I use. I use several pencils, but I don't think there are only one pencil good. Okay, there are many trays of pencils. In this case are Mars Lumograph, Staedtler Mars Lumograph, but you may use others. If you don't have any pencil, use just the pencil you have in your house. Most important thing is just take the pencil, just take a paper and begin to draw. Don't stop yourself looking my videos. Take a paper and draw it. Okay, we have now the background, the basement of this landscape. With just this is a tissue, a paper. Very easy. Only left white in your drawing for lights and reflections, like in this case, this part, the edge of the river, is with foam of the water, so I left it more white or like whiter than the other parts. Now let's take a 4B pencil. These pencils draw darker than the 2B, and with the edge, taking the pencil in this way, we can draw the trunks of trees. Easy, just a line, a thick line, and you may draw them as thick as you wish. Now, more. If you wish a tree appears big farther than this, you must draw them lighter, okay, and not so detailed. Loose, easy, just lines, no trees, lines. You are drawing, you are suggesting. Okay, with the point of the pencil, suggest branches of the trees. This way. When we draw this way, in several layers of view, this is called aerial perspective. Okay, atmosphere perspective. Sorry, aerial is in Spanish. Okay. You possibly know I have another channel of drawing in Spanish. If you are looking this video and your main language is Spanish, you may see this video narrated in Spanish. Okay, the link is in the description of the video. In all my videos is the link. His name is Arte Vivo y Divertido. And as I'm a Spaniard, I speak better Spanish than English, I think. Years I am struggling to learn how to draw in these tutorials in English. But I don't go very far with this. Okay, these dark shadows, you see? So we know from where are the trees now. This is very, very useful effect. More layers of shadows. Now let's begin drawing the reflection, but not a very, it's not a reflection exact, but loose. Okay. Many of these lines will be blurred later, so don't take too much care with them, okay? Not much is detail. Okay, the suggestion of the reflection, and as you see, I use this rocket science tool that is a tissue. With the point of the eraser, I draw in negative these lines as the reflection of the movement of the water, or as it says. With the point of this pencil, okay, we draw the shadow of the waves we have just drawn with our eraser, giving them three-dimensionality, 3 dimensions. This is the very magic of a drawing, an artistic drawing, is that we can make appear something that is flat, paper and just dust, graphite dust. It appears three-dimensional, real. This is magic, don't you think? I really love this. Now, in first plane, we see with more sharp shapes. Sorry. Some parts are just weeds, some parts are plants. But draw loose, with energy. Give energy to your drawings. If you need it, put music in when you are drawing, a very emotional and strong music, and it will give to your pencil strokes more energy. You'll see. It always works. Now some soil in this part. Now let's darken this part, and now we just have drawn the side of this river. Very easy. I know I can cut parts of this drawing. I could cut them and make these videos shorter. But I think for many people, as you say in comments, for many people is more useful if you can see all steps I make in drawing. If I cut parts, you could draw too, but if you have some difficulties, you cannot see how I made it. Because of this, sometimes I think my videos are too long, but I always think this is the best way to teach how to draw. What do you think? Put me in a comment, please. I will appreciate your feedback. Another thing, you see how I change how I take my pencil many times to get effects and textures. Change how you take your pencil as many times as you can, and it will give to your drawings more interest. You'll see. It's the same when you are painting with a brush. It's the same. Don't take your pencil in just one way. Use several ways, angles, etc. Okay, these plants of here, very dark and very sharp, because they are really near to us. Okay. Darker displays, dark, because there are less light here. And if you are here now, you endure looking all this video, you like it, so smash the like button and help my channel to grow. And subscribe if you have not. At least consider it. If not, we can be friends too, don't worry. Okay, more widths here. And it is almost done. We are just in the part of reinforcing details. 2H pencil and H pencil 2 are magic in this part of our drawings. Really magic. Is there some thin drawing you wish I draw in the channel? If so, tell me in a comment. If I know how to do it, I'll draw it. Some textures here, just with an HB pencil or an H, as you wish. Soft, very soft. Draw without pressing too much. We are just making textures in this part. And now we are just finished. What do you think? Do you like it? Then take your pencils and start drawing. Don't stop yourself. Don't be afraid. And you'll be happy, because drawing heals our souls and makes us happier. You'll see. Some branches, some trees. This part. Okay, I think it is done. I don't put anything else. Okay, be very happy and see you in the next week, in the next video, and draw a lot. Bye!